Somebody really complained about guys not being cooperative when you do the Omoplata attack, and they try to roll out of it. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you one secret, but please don't share with anybody until you tap them out 100 times. Is that a deal? Okay, let's go here real quick. So remember what I talked about? Double feet on the hip, double sleeve grip. Okay, shake your hip back and forth a little bit, get some space. And as you stretch your legs, knees inside, push one knee out to keep his head offline. Kick your leg straight, point your knee out, pull that wrist down. Here right now, the little magic right there. I'll push that firewall. But guess what's happening here? As I'm trying to go, remember that heel? The heel's tight on the arm. He starts to roll. Oh no, he's rolling. Okay, as he's rolling, control the arm, pull back, point your knee out, coil your leg. And here right now, stretch your legs so they can see here for a second. I will go, I have a bicep block here. That's a done deal, but I'm a vicious guy. So here right now, I will grab the other arm. I'm gonna roll that way, be careful. I pull and roll him out. He's tapping here, and if I'm not happy enough, guess where else he's gonna tap? Right here. Oh yeah, double tap.